In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text banner in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to find the right canvas, pick a template that suits your brand, customize the text, and swap in icons or photos so your banner looks polished and professional. Start by opening your browser and searching for Canva. You're looking for the official site, which is the design platform you've probably seen recommended for quick, good-looking graphics. When you see the correct result, click through to the home page. If your browser shows suggestions or ads, make sure you choose the official Canva listing so you land on the right place. Once you're on the site, log in using your usual method. This gives you access to your recent designs and ensures your work saves as you go. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one where you typically keep your projects so everything stays organized. On the Canva homepage, head to the search bar at the top and type banner, or get more specific with something like YouTube banner or LinkedIn header. Choosing a specific banner type is helpful because Canva automatically sets you up with the correct dimensions, so you don't have to worry about sizing later. Press enter, and you'll see a gallery of ready-made layouts designed for that exact use case. Take a moment to browse the library and click on a template that fits your style. Think about your brand colors, the mood you want, and how much text you plan to include. Templates with strong contrast and clear spacing are easier to read at a glance. When one stands out, select it to open it in the editor. Now, customize the text. Double-click any existing text on the template and type your own message. Keep headlines short and punchy, and use the subtext for supporting details if you need them. In the top toolbar, you can change fonts, sizes, and colors. For readability, pair a bold font for the headline with a simpler font for smaller copy, and make sure your text color contrasts well with the background. You can also adjust alignment and spacing so everything feels balanced. To refine the visuals, open the Elements tab and drag and drop new icons or photos to replace the original graphics. Use the search bar to find styles that match your theme, then reposition and resize by dragging the corners until it feels right. Aim for consistency. Similar line weights and color tones help everything feel cohesive. And that's it. You've created a clean, customized text banner in Canva, ready to use wherever you need it.